Okay, so let's solve today's code challenge. You have a bomb to defuse and your time is running out. Your informer will provide you with a circular array code of length n and a key k. To decrypt the code, you must replace every number. All numbers are placed simultaneously. These are the three conditions. If k is greater than 0, we have to replace the ith number with sum of next k numbers. If k is less than 0, ith number replaced by sum of previous k numbers. And the last condition is if k equals to 0, we have to replace the ith number with 0. As the code array is circular, the next element of code n minus 1 is code of 0, and previous element of code of 0 is code of n minus. So it is a circular array. We have to return the descriptive code to defuse the bomb. So let's understand the problem. We are given the code array and k conditions. These conditions we have to satisfy and just decrypt the code. So seeing the constraints, we can reduce that even a brute force approach would work here as the constraints are in the range of 100. So we will just iterate over the given code array, check all the conditions and do the task according to them, and that's it. And just remember that it's a circular array, so also take care of that in our execution. Let's code it up now. This would be the size. Now if it k equals to, first we will declare an result array with 0 in size is n. Now if k is equals to 0, we will just return result from here itself. Now for I in range, we will iterate over the whole array. Now check the condition if k is greater than 0. I'll just sum of code of I plus j percentage of n, as it is a circular array, so if it goes out of bounds, I can just uh, mod it by n so that it doesn't go out. Okay, wait, it should be inside this thing. For j in range 1, comma k plus 1, else result of I equals to sum of code of I minus j previous k element if k is negative. So I'll just write absolute value of k plus 1. Now I'll just return this one. Let's run the code. Okay. There is a syntax error. Oh, I forgot to mod symbol. Okay, so I'm out of it. Okay, compile successfully. Yeah, it's passing all the test cases. Subscribe to my channel, and if I get 10 subscribers today, I would post the lead code contest discussion. So, bye bye. Let's meet tomorrow.